Hello, everyone. In this video we'll introduce you to the application of PLC programming to achieve functions such as forward and reverse rotation, delay, and timer control of a stepper motor, implementation of motor forward and reverse rotation through PLC programming, and the implementation of the functions related to the car. The car moves forward when button I0.0 is pressed. The car reverses and moves backward when button I0.1 is pressed. Then stop for 5 seconds. Move forward and then reverse. Let's explore it together. Once I0.3 is pressed, it will rotate in the forward direction. Use the PTO_CTRL device to control it. Generate a pulse delaying a timer device. This is the device responsible for the motor's forward and reverse functionalities, among others. First, you need to configure relevant CPU type. Then go to the wizard PTO section. Select and create the corresponding addresses. Then operate the pulse, the maximum power and minimum power. Configure these settings and customize them. Create the corresponding envelope, meaning it will move within this range. Once the editing is complete, the corresponding functionality can be implemented. That's all for today. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.